Today's video is going to be about the Q-Rejuvalight face mask that you can use on your face, and it is a LED face mask with red and blue color. How do you use this product? So the idea is that you wash your face, you have a clean face, your face has to be dry, then you use this mask on your face. I tighten mine up over here. You click once and then you have the red color. This stays like this for 3 minutes. You have an opening so you can do anything that you want, but I prefer to keep my eyes closed. And if you click again, you have a blue color, which is also purple in my opinion, but yeah, this is the blue color, and you click again and it's off. It automatically turns off after 3 minutes. This is actually like a pretty handy and convenient LED face mask. You can charge it via an USB-C charger that you also get delivered when you order this. The reason why I stopped using this product was because when I was using it, honestly, as you can see, I don't have like the biggest issues with wrinkles or anything. I have had acne for 1.5 years now. I never in my life had any acne. That's also one of the main reasons why I bought this, because I was so done with having acne and nothing worked, including this. And the thing was, I used it for 3 months. I didn't saw like improvements in terms of acne. I did saw improvements in terms of like the overall brightness of my skin, but the pimples kept coming. So therefore at some point I decided to just stop using this, because I felt like it wasn't doing its job for the active acne that I had. And by the time like my focus was really on stopping my acne, and once the acne was clear, then I can look further. Fast forward to this year, in March my acne got a lot better, and at some point, as you can see, I don't have like active acne. I do have makeup on, but I have like a little bit of like dark spots and discoloration also underneath this part, so mostly on my cheeks. Now that my skin is again at peace, I tend to use this product a whole lot more. So since March I have been using this. Like I mentioned again, as you can see, I don't have like any active wrinkles or anything, but if you go to the website of Qure.com or Qure Skincare, their website, then you do see like really great pictures of people before and after. Honestly, I do believe that products like this can be really helpful. In my case, I did have like issues with saggy mouth corners, which were like more visible a year ago. Now I barely see them, but I have to be completely honest with you guys, I did lost like 1 or 2 kilos compared to last year, and I do see that my face is a little bit slimmer. So probably because my cheeks are less chubby, my mouth corners are also less visible. And I think of course the combination with this might have helped with sort of lifting my saggy mouth corners, because the red light is also something that stimulates collagen production underneath your skin. Then in terms of like my face and my complexion, I do feel that this product has helped with minimizing like the dark spots and sort of speeding up the discolorations and acne scars that I still have on my face, like where you would normally like apply a serum for 6 weeks to see results. With this product you maybe see results after 4 weeks. That's a feeling that I have. Again, I cannot like 100% prove it. I will also insert some before and after footage for you guys to see what my face is looking like right now without makeup and what it was like in March and April. On the other hand, I do have to say that you have of course an opening, and this is like my only concern that I have with this product. So you have this opening over here for your eyes, and they advise that you can do anything that you want, which makes it really easy and simple to use. You don't have to like hold a device or do anything, you can just put it on your face and like do the things, and then after the treatment is done, like 6 minutes, you can continue with your normal skincare. But I do feel that whenever I use this, I prefer to keep my eyes closed, just to be safe than sorry. Of course, I do feel that when the company says that you can use it with your eyes open, it probably will be safe. Would I recommend this product? Definitely yes. I really like it. I think it really helps in terms of anti-aging, and of course red light is also clinically proven to help with collagen production. And I think if you're 25 or 30, I'm 31, once you hit that 30-year mark, I think it's safe to invest your money into a skincare device that can help you with aging. Invest in your skin and like long-term progress. And I also think that there are some products that really can help in terms of making your skin sagginess, like, you know, make your skin tighter. So this is a product from Korea. I personally absolutely love Korean skincare. It's the ampule and peptide shot ampule. You have a new version right now which is like 3x peptide, but this product is really great in terms of making your skin look like tighter. So if you have already like an issue with saggy skin, I would definitely recommend this. And then another quick product recommendation I want to talk about is the Time Stop ampule from the Plant Base, which is also a Korean brand. The Plant Base is a Korean brand, but apparently a lot of celebrities in Korea have been using this because of its effectiveness. Again, it's also an ampule product, so the idea is you use your toner and then you use your serum or ampule. Just look for products that have like peptides in them or ceramide. So for example, here we have a ceramide fermented lotion, and this is also a ceramide skincare lotion that I would recommend if you really want to focus on sagginess. And then another thing I quickly wanted to talk about is this face stick. I have been using this. This is next to my bed. I also made like a whole other video about face sticks as well, but the idea is that I just literally dab it on and then I use it on my smile lines as well, sometimes in between my brows, for example, or at the outer corner of my eye. I probably think use this face stick 4 to 5 days in a week whenever I lay in bed, and then of course I focus on my areas. But I do think that this sort of like targeted skincare concentrated face sticks have also helped with the idea of, you know, making my skin look plumper. But again, I do think that these products work really well together. On the other hand, I also believe that clean eating really helps with your skincare as well. If you're eating a lot of processed and junk food, then probably you won't see results as fast, because of course you also have to nourish your body from the inside out. So clean eating and other small things as well, like changing your pillow covers. I always use a clean towel for my face. I use a towel for 4 to 5 days and then I switch it to like a new towel. And then a device like this, I think the combination of those three plus of course good skincare, so those 4, can really help you in aging gracefully. Stay healthy, stay happy.